We are Team SWAS from C5 IIT Madras and we build drones.
This year we are representing India and IIT Madras on the world stage, and we couldn't have done it without you. Thank you, batch of 1990.
Hello everyone, we're Team Avishkar Hyperloop from IIT Madras, a student team building the future of transportation through Hyperloop technology.
With your support, we had the opportunity to represent IIT Madras and India at European Hyperloop Week 2026, where we proudly secured 5th place overall and 6th place in socio-economic research.
Thank you IIT Madras batch of 1990 for believing in us and making this journey possible.
We are Team Agnirath and we are taking India's solar-powered innovation to the global stage.
To prove ourselves, this September, we will take Aghanaya to the Sasol South African Solar Challenge, a 2,400-kilometer brutally long race from Johannesburg to Cape Town.
Hello batch of 1990, thank you so much for believing in Team Agnirath.
Your support encourages us to push ourselves towards solar innovation. Thank you so much.
And South Africa, we're coming.